Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button below and also click on that bell icon because it will notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. So guys, my name is Justina and my channel's name is Simply Natural, and in my channel we do food recipe, mukbang, chit chat, vlog and natural hair videos. Guys, if you like food, if you're a foodie person like me, then you may want to subscribe because we do food in here like no other. Anyway guys, today is another day and it is a cook with me day. Today I am going to be making one of my mommy's favorite food. She loves this food. She cooked it a lot those days and she loved to eat it a lot, and it's a simple healthy food as well. So yeah, we are going to be making simple plantain porridge. This food is so good and so tasty and so healthy. So yeah, let's go over to my corner of the kitchen, my office corner, and I will introduce you guys to our ingredients for today. So guys, yes, this is our ingredients for today. So we are making plantain porridge. So this is my plantain, right? You can use the very green one that is not even ripe at all, but this has a tiny bit of softness in it. And I am using fresh fish, fresh mackerel fish. I'm using 3 tomato, mushroom, onions, spring onions, this long chili pepper, ginger and garlic. I'm using Maggi, salt, crayfish, curry and thyme, jollof chicken. I'm using a little bit of shaki. You guys know how I love meat, right? This was supposed to be fish only food, but I decided to add a little bit of shaki. I'm adding my ugu. Ugu is like spinach basically. It does what spinach does, but this is the Nigerian one, ugu leaf, and red oil. So we are going to cut everything up because basically everything on this table will start cooking at the same time apart from the ugu. So guys, first we're going to cut our mushroom, and I'm going to try and slice it into tiny pieces. So now I am done with my mushroom. I am going to slice my plantain. I'm going to peel it out and go and rinse it first. So I'm going to rinse it. So after rinsing it, we are going to cut it. So I'm going to slice it at the middle, and then I will cut it into half again, and then I'll slice it like this. So we're done with the plantain. It is time to slice our onions. So guys, we nearly have everything in the pan. So this is our plantain, this is our tomato, spring onions, shaki meat. So I'm going to add the remaining stuff, which is the mushroom, and fish. So the next thing we're going to start adding is all our ingredients. I'm going to add 2 scoops of crayfish. I'm going to add salt, a bit thyme. I'm going to add curry. I'm going to add jollof chicken. I'm going to add Maggi, ginger and garlic, when the food is getting done, that is when I will add my ugu leaf. So the remaining thing to add in this is water and red oil. So now I am going to add water. And I am going to add red oil. So yes, I will put my burner on and I will move it to the far side of the burner, cover it up. So guys, yes, my food has started cooking. Is over at the far side of the burner now, and I'm going to basically cook this food for 20 to 25 minutes. This does not take time to cook. The only thing time consuming in it is just preparing your veg. That's all. And yeah, halfway between it, maybe around 20 minutes, I will add my ugu, and then yeah, give it another 5 and it is ready. So yeah, we're gonna just let it cook. Everything is in there, every ingredient is in there, every seasoning is in there. We have done our best. We're going to leave it alone, and hopefully it will turn out so tasty and so yummy. So guys, this food has been cooking for 20 minutes, and I am going to add my ugu. For my ugu, I'm only adding a handful of ugu. I do not want it to be like full of ugu vegetable, just a handful. That is all I want to add. And yes, I will turn it gently because my fish are in here somewhere, and I do not want to break them apart. So yeah, I will give it another 5 more minutes. I'm tasting it to make sure there is enough salt and Maggi. There's enough salt on it, but I can't taste pepper. I only added that long green pepper. It is not tasting out, so I'm going to add a tiny bit of the Nigerian chili just to give it a little kick, because there's no pepper in it at all. And yes, I will mix that. And I will cover and give it another 5 minutes. So guys, after 5 minutes, it is time to take out our plantain porridge off the stove. It is done and ready. So I will off that and I will move it out of the stove. So guys, that is the way it looks. It is out of the stove and it tastes so yummy, guys. It tastes so yummy and it is super simple to make. This is a good meal for you and your family. Give it a go and tell me what you think about it. It tastes so yummy, guys. So yeah, this is where today's recipe is going to end. So guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my channel for more food recipes and mukbang. Give it a go. Let me know what you think about it. I remember eating this food a lot when I was growing up, and my mom normally cook it with unripe plantain, the one that didn't ripe at all, and it is very tasty. Like, it is very tasty. And for her own, she usually just use crayfish, pepper. She doesn't add tomato and mushroom and all that stuff. And yeah, just simple as crayfish and pepper and red oil with the unripe plantain and ugu vegetable, and it tastes so yummy. Yes guys, this is where I'm going to end this recipe. Please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye. Mwah.